Hello to all the healthy food lovers. Have you ever tried to eat healthily during the week but ran out of ideas on what to cook? Don't worry anymore. In this video, I will present 14 recipes of healthy and delicious meals for the whole week. Are you tired of eating the same boring salad every day? Or do you feel like you're sacrificing flavor for healthy eating? Well, today I will show you that eating healthy doesn't have to be boring or mean sacrificing flavor. I will show you 14 recipe ideas full of flavor and nutrients to enjoy throughout the week. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner in the kitchen or an expert, these recipes are easy to make and delicious for everyone. And not only that, at the end of this video, I will give you an extra tip that will help you stay on track towards healthy eating. So get ready to feel inspired and motivated to cook healthy and delicious meals. Don't miss a single minute of this video, and make sure to subscribe to our channel to not miss any other videos from the Healthy Habit. Let's get started. The first recipe would be a quinoa bowl with vegetables and chickpeas. It's a super healthy option filled with plant-based protein. You'll just need to cook the quinoa and mix it with some fresh vegetables, like cucumber, tomato, and spinach, along with chickpeas to add more protein and texture. Another delicious option is a roasted chicken and cranberry salad. Roasted chicken is a great source of lean protein, while cranberries add a sweet and antioxidant-rich touch. Add some nuts and lettuce leaves for a crispy touch. If you're in the mood for something more substantial, you can opt for baked salmon with roasted vegetables. Salmon is rich in omega-3 and the vegetables provide vitamins and fiber. It's a complete and delicious dinner. For a vegetarian option, try a chickpea and spinach curry. It's a recipe full of flavor and spices, and you can serve it with brown rice or quinoa to make it even more nutritious. Another vegetarian option is a vegetable lasagna. You can use eggplants, zucchini, and spinach as layers and mix them with a homemade tomato sauce and low-fat ricotta cheese. If you're in the mood for something a little fresher, try a poke bowl with brown rice, fresh salmon, avocado, and edamame. It's a super healthy option filled with protein and healthy fats. For breakfast, you can try a super simple and quick option like scrambled eggs with spinach and tomatoes. It's a low-calorie recipe filled with protein, perfect for starting the day with energy. If you prefer something sweet, try an avocado toast with poached egg. Avocado is an excellent source of healthy fats and poached egg is a rich source of protein. For lunch, a delicious and nutritious option is a chicken and avocado wrap. Use a whole wheat or spinach tortilla and fill it with grilled chicken, avocado, tomato, and lettuce. You can accompany it with a fresh salad or some baked potatoes. Another vegetarian option is hummus with CRUDITÉS. Hummus is a delicious chickpea cream with tahini, garlic, and lemon, perfect for dipping in carrots, celery, cucumber, and other fresh vegetables. If you're in the mood for something more gourmet, try a mushroom and asparagus risotto. Risotto is an Italian creamy and flavorful dish that you can make with brown rice to make it even healthier. For a light dinner, you can opt for a vegetable and lentil soup. Lentils are an excellent source of protein and fiber, and when combined with fresh vegetables such as carrots, celery, and tomatoes, they make for a delicious and nutritious dinner. For dessert, a healthy and sweet option is a fruit salad. Mix your favorite fruits, such as strawberries, kiwi, pineapple, and mango, and serve with a spoonful of Greek yogurt and a little honey to sweeten. Another option is a chia pudding with fruits and nuts. Chia seeds are an excellent source of fiber and protein, and when mixed with almond milk and fresh fruits, you'll get a healthy and delicious dessert. Do you remember we had an extra tip for you? That's right. The tip for staying on track towards a healthy diet is meal planning. When you plan your meals ahead of time, you ensure that you have healthy and delicious options available at all times. You can prepare your meals in advance, make a healthy shopping list, and ensure that you have everything you need in your pantry and refrigerator. This will help you avoid temptations of unhealthy foods and allow you to make informed decisions about what you eat. Additionally, meal planning can also save you time and money, and it helps you become more mindful of what you're eating. So, start planning your meals and take control of your diet. In summary, these 14 recipes for healthy and delicious meals are perfect for a balanced and satisfying diet throughout the week. Planning your meals in advance is essential for maintaining a healthy lifestyle and making your meals easier and more cost-effective. I hope you have enjoyed these recipes and my extra tip. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our upcoming videos about healthy habits. See you next time.